Question number 16, mulch. A flower bed is bordered by strips of vinyl that form two rectangles, one inside the other. Here's the diagram of the flower bed. On the diagram, we got this handwriting, which says 12 take away 10 is equal to 2 centimeters. I'm not sure what this is about. The 4 decimeters and the 6 decimeters, that'll come in handy. This is 32 decimeters long. The total length of the vinyl strips is 164 decimeters. The section between two rectangles is covered in tulips. This area is covered in tulips. The area of the section covered in tulips is 384 decimeters squared. The interior of the small rectangle is covered in mulch. This is mulch. Function f described below can be used to determine the cost of the mulch according to the area of the section covered in mulch. F of x is equal to 9 times the greatest integer of x over 75, close the greatest integer bracket, plus 9, where x is the area in decimeters squared of the section covered in mulch, and f of x is the cost of the mulch in dollars. What is the cost of the mulch? We don't know what this height is. I'm going to call it x. If this is 6 and 4, that's 10 decimeters, so this is going to be, this height is x take away 10. I don't know this length. I'm going to call it y. Then I'm going to look at the vinyl strips going around the outside. So for the vinyl strips, I know that x plus x is 2x, 32 plus 32 is 64, so 2x plus 64 is vinyl strips going around the big rectangle. The vinyl strips going around the small rectangle is, I have x minus 10 and x minus 10. That's 2x minus 20 plus y is 2y. Add them all together, that gives us 164. And add my like terms, which is 4x, 2x and 2x is 4x. 64 take away 20 is 44. I subtract 44 from both sides, so I have 4x plus 2y is equal to 120. I'm going to isolate the y by subtracting the 4x from both sides. We end up with 2y is equal to 120 take away 4x. Divide both sides by 2. That gives us y is equal to 60 take away 2x. That's for the vinyl strips. For the tulip area, it's the area of the big rectangle take away the area of the small rectangle. The area of the big rectangle is 32 times x, 32x. The area of the small rectangle is y times x minus 10. That is equal to 334. I'm going to replace the y with 60 minus 2x. Then the 60 is going to multiply the x, giving us 60x. The 60 multiplies the negative 10, giving us negative 600. The negative 2x multiplies the x, giving us negative 2x squared. The negative 2x multiplies negative 10, giving us plus 20x. Add the like terms together. That gives us, I'm going to put this in the front, negative 2x squared. 60x plus 20x is 80x minus 600. Then the negative is going to come in and change all those signs. That gives us 32x plus 2x squared minus 80x plus 600 minus 384 is equal to 0. Add the like terms, order it in the right way. We get 2x squared minus 48x plus 216 is equal to 0. I'm going to divide every term by 2. That gives us x squared take away 24x plus 108 is equal to 0. You can use your quadratic formula here. I was looking for the factors of 108. That would add up to give 24, and that's 6 and 18. They are both the same sign, and they're both negative. X minus 6 times x minus 18 is equal to 0. That means x minus 6 is equal to 0 some of the times, which is x is equal to 6. Over here, x minus 18 is equal to 0. X is equal to 18. When x is equal to 6, we have to have 6 take away 10 is negative 4. That doesn't make sense. X must be 18. Discount this one. When x is equal to 18, I'm going to feed it back into my y is equal to 60 take away 2x formula, which is y is equal to 60 take away 2 times 18, which is 24. X is 18 and y is 24. Put an 18 here, and 18 take away 10 is 8. This height is 8. Y is equal to 24. This length is 24. The area of the mulch is 24 times 8, which is 192. That's our x in the greatest integer function. The greatest integer of 192 divided by 75. 192 divided by 75 is 2.56. The greatest integer of 2.56 is 2. So we have 2 times 9 is 18, plus 9 is 27. How much does the mulch cost? The mulch is going to cost $27. And that's it for question number 16. Have a good day.